how to create a FiveM server, and there's two steps to this. There's the easy step and then there's a hard step. Now we're doing the easy step. If you want to see the hard step, well, let me know. First off, everything in here is going to be linked in the description below. Alright, so we're going to start off with FiveM Server. Basically, you're going to click on the link and then it will bring you to this page. And then you're going to go down here and download this. Alright. Alright, and then we are going to open this up. And then click on this. And then what you can do next is drag this over here. Alright. And then you can exit out of this. You can read this stuff, alright? But nothing is gonna hurt your computer. Basically, you're gonna go in here. You're gonna click on this fxserver.exe. It'll open this up. So this is what your server's folder name is gonna be. So I just make it the same as the server name. So I'm gonna put it as an example, game server. Alright, and then this is the port. This is how you make it online. I'm not gonna do a port forwarding video for you today, but just know that this is the port, so just leave this alone. This right here allows other people to have script hook v stuff like simple native trainer, and also lambda menu. If you want people to be allowed to have that in their server, change this to a 1. If you don't want people to have access to that, change it to 0. Leave it at 0. Now this is the password. I don't even mess with this type of stuff. Server name. Now this is going to be the same one, because I told you guys that I usually just make it my server name for the folder. Put whatever you want. And then server max clients. This means you can only have 32 unless you buy the Patreon for 15 bucks. I'll leave a link to that in the description. License key. Alright, I will show you guys that real quick. So this is how you activate your server. Register on FiveM. Alright, so next you're gonna go to this page. I will have this linked in the description below. Keymaster5m.net. Alright, now basically you hit register. Alright, and then it'll bring this up. This will be your server name and then IP address. This will be, if you do IP config, alright, or what's my IP address in the Google bar, it will bring up your IP. You want the IPv4, I believe, and you'll put it in here. And then server type. I usually do dedicated, and then I put which server provider are you using. I usually put none. And then you do I'm not a robot and you generate it, alright? And then after that, this is what it would look like. So basically, here's all this. Now, this is what you're after. You'll take this below. Alright. And then you'll take that. And then you'll copy that into here. And then after that, you're basically done. By the way, this will show up on your C drive. So to get to it, you'll go to local disk C, and then basically it will be here. Alright, and then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and then go to your directory for your server. this is what it should look like, probably with a little bit less things in it. In the CFG, server CFG, to locate that, you'll go to this, and then server CFG. Now I have one right here. So basically, you can put admins and people in here. So like IPs and stuff can go in here for people that you want to have admin. And so yeah. And then after that, I will be showing you how to put vMenu in. So basically, I will have this link in the description also. Basically, you're gonna scroll all the way down. Download this. This is so you have a menu and you can spawn cars and stuff. I like it a lot. Basically, you're gonna make a new folder on your desktop that says vMenu. Make sure that M is capitalized. M is capitalized. Alright. So now that we have that done, basically it will take vMenu's content, drag it into that vMenu folder, okay? And then for that, you will go back to your server directory folder, go to CFX server data master, and then resources, and you'll throw that into here. Alright, I'm not going to do it because I already have it in here, down at the bottom, right here. Alright, and then to ensure that we're not done yet, to ensure this, you have to go back into here and then put ensure and then vMenu. Alright, and then you'll save this. I'm not going to save it because I already have it in there. And then the next step is to put a car in there. Now you could get these from two websites that I like to use. One is LSPFR, and the other one is FiveMods. And the LSPFR one, I will have this also linked in the description. Everything else will be linked in the description. You go to LSPFR, and I didn't mean to click on that one. I usually click downloads, and then I'll go to vehicle models. Alright, and then up top it will say FiveM ready. Alright, and click yes. Now these are the cars and stuff, police cars and all that. Let me find one real quick. We'll do this one. Alright. And basically this is everything that you'll be getting non-EOS, so I'm gonna FiveM ready, yeah. And you download this. It takes a couple seconds to download. Alright, there we go. So this is a cop car that we're downloading. While that's downloading, we'll go to here, and then we'll click on this one because this one's FiveM ready. This is a Civ car, so you'll download this one too if you want. You could go check out the other ones. We'll just wait for it to be done downloading. It's gonna take a second. Alright. Alright, this one's finished. The Civ one is finished. Alright, so you'll get this folder for this car. Now this one's the Civ car. basically you will go back to your server directory folder, click on this again, and then go to resources. And then what you're going to do is go into here and then do the add-on FiveM, and then you drag this into here, okay, into resources, into your resource folder. Alright, I already have it in here. It's called the R820. I already have it in here, so I'm not going to do it. This one I don't have, so I'll do this one. So don't exit out of this yet. You're going to need this. And what you're going to do is take this one, go in here, red and blue, or blue and blue. Now I do the red and blue. So basically you drag this on here, because this doesn't already have a folder made for it. So what you're going to do is go back here, and then usually I do select this stuff, unmarked charger Hellcat. Alright, and then you rename this folder to that. You can drag and drop this into here. Let me copy, okay, that's fine. And then click on this, and then you're going to go to Steam. You're going to click on whatever you just put in there, go to Steam. And then this will be the spawn code, so it's Hellcat for the spawn code. Or stream, under stream, and it's Hellcat for the spawn code. Alright. Now what you're going to need to do is copy this, because you're going to need to insure it. Alright. And then basically you go back to your thing, to your directory. You click on this again, and then you'll go to server CFG. Alright. And then you'll put this under insure, like you did the other thing. And then for the for the Audi, you do copy this, and you'll insure this one too. Alright. Now make sure you press save, or they won't save and pop up in game. And then boom, you're done with that. Basically everything's done. Let me see. Yep, everything's done. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your directory, and then it will be right here, runserver.bat. Now you're going to click on this. It's going to start your server. Alright. Blah 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 blah. And while I'm here, I'm going to pause the music, because we're loading it, because we're going to load in. We have to wait for it to load. Now yours will go a lot faster because you don't have all this stuff in it. Mine's going a little bit slow because I have a lot of stuff in it. Alright. Give it like 5 more seconds, and then you'll have a screen kind of like this, and that means it's done loading. Alright, and then you will go to FiveM. We're gonna test it now, so you're gonna go in, you're gonna load in the FiveM. And then you're going to press play. And then right up here, you have a local host section. Alright, if you don't know how to activate that, you'll go to settings, and then you'll scroll down, and right here, dev mode, enabled the local host menu item. Alright, and then you'll select that, and then you'll go here again, and then you'll click on local host, and then after that you'll load into your FiveM server. Now there's stuff that you can use to have a custom loading screen, like this one. You can put your community's picture down there. You can put pictures up here, and then I even got the rules, and then the chat commands, and then Discord things and stuff like that. Alright, we're loading in now. Okay. So now that we're loaded in, you'll press M. It is delightful as M. Alright? It'll bring up a menu like this. Now, you could do a whole bunch of things. Let's go to the city real quick. Or we'll go to Sandy. Alright. You'll press M again, and then the access the vehicles that you have, you could go here, the vehicle spawner, then you could do it by name. What was the one name? Hellcat, Hell cat. Alright. Alright, well, that one's not working because I didn't put it in this server CFG. But I know this one does. Well, basically, at the end, that's how you add those. And at the end, you're supposed to have this car in here. Now, I didn't put these in my actual server CFG because I forgot. And if I show my CFG, it shows IPs and stuff. But this is what you'll have for the Audi RA80, right? At least I believe. That's the Audi R8. This is what you'll have, okay? And then that's how you make a FiveM server, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe if you want more tutorials on how to do FiveM stuff.